Define electronegativity. Electronegativity is a chemical property that describes the tendency of an atom to attract a shared pair of electrons towards itself within a chemical bond. Recall periodic trends. In general, electronegativity increases as you move from left to right across a period, due to increasing effective nuclear charge, and increases as you move from bottom to top within a group, due to decreased atomic radius and less electron shielding. Locate the elements on the periodic table. Using the provided periodic table, identify the position of each option. CS, cesium period 6, group 1, bottom left area. Ag, silver. Period 5, group 11, transition metal. Pb, lead period 6, group 14, bottom middle area. Br, bromine period 4, group 17, top right area. Say, selenium period 4, group 16, top right area. Compare horizontal positions. Elements on the right side of the table, nonmetals, have higher electronegativities than those on the left, metals. This narrows the search to bromine and selenium. Compare within the period. Br and Se are both in period 4. Because bromine is further to the right, group 17 versus group 16, it has a higher effective nuclear charge, allowing it to attract shared electrons more strongly than selenium. Conclusion: bromine is the halogen among the choices and is located furthest toward the top right of the periodic table, excluding noble gases, making it the element with the highest electronegativity. The correct answer is option D, Br.